Today, I'm gonna tell you about Dokey. Dokey is a powerful writing assistant that uses natural language processing algorithms to help you optimize your content for search engines. A powerful content writing tool that uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to write SEO-friendly content. Crawl your website and optimize pages for search engines to start ranking higher super fast. Get the most relevant SEO keyword lists for your content and analyze your competitors using an automated tool. Unlike other SEO content tools, Dokey uses advanced natural language processing algorithms tailored for every language. To start using Dokey, just create a new project and add your main query. What's a query, you ask? That is the subject you want to rank for on Google. To see query ideas, click the light bulb icon and Dokey will automatically generate results from SEMrush. Once you've got your query in place, just hit Analyze and watch Dokey do its thing. After analyzing your query, Dokey recommends a meta title, meta description, keywords and text length. It also compares your query to your top competitors. Take their article structure to build your content and use relevant questions from Google search results to capture more high-intent traffic. When your outline is ready, you're ready to write and optimize. Because with Dokey, you'll be hitting those keywords without keyword stuffing, and you'll be able to replace overused words with auto-generated synonyms, kind of like your own personal copy editor. When all your keywords and SEO scores have the green light, you're ready to publish. Use the editorial calendar to plan your content, or just copy the HTML code and drop that into your CMS. After publishing, you can add the article URL to Dokey and create internal links. Once your content is out there, it's super easy to monitor performance, like impressions, average click-throughs and average ranking. You can also import pages from your website using Google Search Console to optimize even more content. Dokey makes it easy to research what's trending within your industry, so you can create relevant content that ranks high on search results. You can also analyze your competitors to see what content strategies are working for them and resonating with your target audience. Optimize your content for search engines faster with an SEO writing assistant. Dokey helps you create engaging content that's optimized for SEO, so you can boost your brand's visibility in record time, drive more traffic to your site. So, click on the link below to Dokey for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.